When you are looking for rentals, you have to pay attention to certain fees. I call them hidden fees that are not advertised anywhere online. You're looking for a rental in an apartment complex and it says its studio price is $2,000 per month. But get to the bottom of this. Ask the apartment complex administrator what's included in rent. Sometimes the heating is included, water, sometimes sewer. However, the most important thing is they usually charge extra for a special type of parking. Sometimes most of them come with one parking spot. If you want to have a more fancy spot, let's say covered or in the garage, you have to pay between $50 to $200 per month extra. And also, in case of pets, most of them require a sign-up fee. Usually it's $250. But then they say, yeah, of course, we welcome any kind of pets, but they don't tell you in the ad that they are limiting the size and the weight of the pet. Right now, I'm looking for an apartment for my client, and I called all different apartment complexes, and most of them say, we actually honor pets, or we honor both cats and dogs. However, dog cannot be more than 4 pounds in weight. Like, what kind of dog is it that weighs only 4 pounds? Also, they charge you extra, usually between $35 to $100 per month for a pet. Those numbers add up, and then you figure out if it's worth it to rent in an apartment complex, or maybe it's better to rent privately from a private person, where usually everything is much more straightforward. Because when you are renting from a private person, usually the house comes with a parking situation. Yeah, you have to be careful with those big apartment complexes because they have some hidden fees.